Then you're welcome. We believe Kantanka Automobile believes in Africa, we believe in Ghana, and we thank the institution for believing in the Ghanaian products. We say Experience Africa. This is the first batch of the supply. We supply over 85 cars, and this one is really made for Ghanaians, for the Ghanaian terrain, and you could see it. Brand new car, made in Ghana. This is what we believe in. And when you come to Kantanka, we believe in Experience Africa. And this one, we're urging each and every government institution, every individual to patronize the Kantanka products. Kantanka, we say Experience Africa.
The over 85 cars, is it mainly for NIA?
It's mainly for NIA.
Okay, so why NIA?
Well, that is partnership, and then that is what they demanded for. When people are demanding for your products, they know the worth of your products, and every product demands for quality, and every institution demands for quality. And you know, with Kantanka, we believe in quality.
At what cost were they procured?
Well, you know, when the cost of it on the market, as you see, we have the automatic ones and then we have the manual ones. That comes with different relative costs. So we supply manual cars to them.
Okay, so with the first batch, how many cars have you delivered?
With the first batch, we supply 17. We are yet to supply the rest.
So when will everything be done?
It's a terrain of time. So as and when we make progress, all of them will be supplied to them.
So what are you guys